A very good morning, my dears. How are you, children? Welcome back to Maths online class. In the previous class, we had start measurement chapter. In that chapter, we had discussed length, weight. Today, we will discuss capacity. Generally, we measured capacity vessels, kerosene, milk, like the standard unit of capacity is liter. Liter. So everyone open page number 190. 10 milliliters equal to 1 centiliter. 10 centiliters equal to 1 deciliter. 10 deciliters equal to 1 liter. 10 liters equal to 1 decaliter. 10 decaliters equal to 1 hectoliters. 10 hectoliters equal to 1 kiloliters. 10 milliliters equal to 1 centiliter. Milliliters short form is ml. 10 centiliters is equal to 1 deciliter. 10 deciliters equal to 1 liter. 10 liters equal to 1 decaliter. 10 decaliters equal to 1 hectoliter. 10 hectoliters equal to 1 kiloliter. Each higher unit 10 times the previous unit. Look here, each higher unit 10 times to the previous unit. 1 kiloliter equal to 1000 liters. 1 kiloliter equal to 1000 liters. 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliters. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. Milliliters means ml. Everyone open your textbook page number 119. Here solve the following. First one is 1 liter is equal to dash ml. 1 liter equal to 1000 ml. 1 liter equal to 1000 ml. Equal to 1000 ml. 1 liter equal to 1000 ml. 2 liters equal to 1 liter 1000 ml. Think mentally. 2 liter equal to 2000 ml. Next, 10 liter equal to 10,000 ml. 1 liter equal to 1000 ml. 2 liter equal to 2000 ml. 10 liter equal to 10,000 ml. ml means milliliters. Next, 12,000 ml. 12 liter equal to 12,000 ml. Next, this is changed. Here 12 liters ml. ml into converts liter. 5000 ml equal to how many liters? 12 liter equal to 12,000 ml. 5000 ml equal to 5 liters. 13,000 ml equal to 13 liters. 1 liter 1000, 12 liters 12,000. Here 5 liters 5000 ml, 13 liters 13,000 ml. Next, everyone open your textbook page number 120. What measures will be used to measure if one need? If I need. Okay? What measures will be used to measure if I need? Here 1 liter, 500 ml, 200 ml, 100 ml, 50 ml boxes given. 1 liter, 500 ml, 200 ml, 100 ml, 50 ml boxes given. Okay. Next, 600 ml of milk. Divide these two. Here given boxes. 600 ml means 500 ml plus 100 ml. 500 plus 100, 600 ml milk. You are using 500 ml for using curd, 100 ml for preparing tea. That like you have to divide. Okay. 500 ml for using curd, prepare to using curd. 100 ml for drink milk or drinking tea, like that. 750 ml of kerosene. 750 ml is lesser than the 1 liter. So, first 500 one time, next 5 time over, remaining 250 is there. 200 one time, next 50 one time. Okay, 50 one time. 750 ml of kerosene is 500 plus 200 700, 700 plus 50 750. Next 250 ml of coconut oil. Here not there in this table 250, so you have to take 250 one time, 200 plus 50 250. Next 1 liter 150 ml of milk. 1 liter measure is there, so this one take one time, remaining how much is there? 150 is there, so 100 one time. Next 50 you have to take next 50 one time. Okay, 1150 ml. Next 1 liter. 1 liter here there. 1 liter one time. Next 500 is there. Yes, 500 also there one time. Children, this is all. This table you have to write in your page number 120. Everyone must and should write in your textbook. Convert liters and milliliters into milliliters. Convert liters and milliliters into milliliters. Here liters, milliliters, both measurements given. So both are converted into milliliters. Liters, milliliters. So no need to convert ml. Already ml. So what is in liters, that only you have to convert. 3 liters is equal to 3000 ml. 3000 ml plus 250. 3250 milliliters. 4 liters 500 ml. 4500 ml. 6 liters 250 ml. 6250 ml. 6250 ml. Next 5750 ml. 2 liters 816. Directly you have to add, because 1 liter equal to 1000, 2 liter equal to 2000. 2000 plus 816, when we add, we get 2816 only. Okay, 15 liters for 167 ml. 167 milliliters. This like you have to convert into milliliters. Okay, all of you write your textbook page number 120. Everyone open your textbook page number 121. Look here, convert milliliters into liters, milliliters. Here milliliters is there, this one convert into liters. Here 6250 ml convert into liters, milliliters. So 6250 ml convert into liters, ml. Here 6 liter equal to 6000, so 6 liters 250 ml. Okay, 6000 ml. When we convert into ml, 6 into 1000, 6000 plus 250, 6250 we have to get. 7 liters 500 ml. Okay, 7000 liters plus 500 ml. 7000 ml plus 500 ml, 7500 we have to get. 8750 ml. 8 liters 750 ml. 8 liters 750 ml. Next fourth one. 8 liters. 8 liters means 8000 ml. Remaining how much is there? 3 ml. Okay, 003 or 3, both are correct. Next 6175. 6 liters 175 ml. 3 liters 50 ml. 3 liters 50 ml. So everyone write your textbook, Nana. Everyone open your textbook page number 124. Multiple choice questions. Lowest unit of weight. We discussed already in the previous classes about mass or weight. The lowest unit of weight is decigram, centigram, milligram. Milligram is the lowest unit of the weight. To convert deciliters into decaliters, divide the number by. Every higher denominators multiply with 10. So tick this. Next, capacity of a jug is twice that of a cup. That of a cup. A jug is twice that of a cup. The total capacity of a jug and the cup is 36 liters. The capacity of the jug shall be. Capacity of a jug is twice that of a cup. Twice that of a cup. Here 36 is given. So divide 36 by 2. Okay. 36 by 2. 2 ones are 2 18s are 36. So answer is 18 liters. 18 2s are 36. No, that like. The length of rope is 5 meters 25 decimeters. Its measurement in dm shall be. Dm means decimeters. This meters also convert into decimeters. 5 meters equal to 50 decimeters. Plus 25. 50 plus 25, 75. So this is a correct answer. The weight of a baby is 2651 grams. It is equal to here 2 kg 651, 26 kg. This is wrong. This is only correct. 2 kg 651 grams. The baby weight of baby is 2 kg 651 grams. Next, the total length of 3 ribbons is 348 centimeters. One of them is 1 meter long, while the second one is 96 centimeters long. The length of third ribbon is. Total 3 ribbons length is 348 centimeters. So one of them is 1 meter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. Next, second one is 96 centimeter. 100 plus 96, 196. 100 plus 96, 196. Total is 348. So total length minus remaining 2 lengths, 196. Okay, 2, 14 minus 9, 5. 2 minus 1, 1. So 152 is the correct answer. Okay. Here given 2 lengths and total length. So when we add these 2 lengths and divide the total, subtract the total length, we get third length also. Okay. Container A has 8 liters of oil and container B has 2 liters less oil than the container A. The total volume of oil in both the containers. A has 8 liters. B has 2 liters less than oil. 8 minus 2, 6. So the total volume of oil both in containers. A is 8 liters. B is 2 liters less than the 8. 8 minus 2, 6. 8 minus 6 how much? 14. So tick this answer. Okay. When you read 2-3 times questions, then you have to understand. So read 2-3 times question. 8th one. A tank is filled with 30 liters of milk. 30 liters of milk. One bottle can contain 500 ml of milk. One bottle contain 500 milliliters. 500 milliliters means half liter. One bottle is 500 milliliter. Tank is 30 liters. So bottles needed to empty the tank. Bottles needed to empty the tanks. How many bottles needed to empty the tank? 30 liters 500 ml. So 30 liters means 3000 ml. 30,000 ml by 500 ml. So cancel these two zeros. Directly don't cross this. Don't cancel this, because this is liters, this is ml. So you have to convert into ml, then you have to cancel it. Okay. Both are measurements same, then you have to cancel it or multiplying, whatever it may be. First convert into both same measure. Okay. 2 zeros cancel, then 5 ones are 5, 5 6 are 30, remaining 0. 5 60s are 300. So how many bottles needed to fill with 30 liters milk? 60 bottles is needed. Tick this answer. Okay. Next. A shopkeeper had 269 kg of rice. He sold 196 kg. He bought some more rice. He has now 301 kg of rice. How much rice did he buy? A shopkeeper had 269 kg of rice. He had 269. He sold 196. He bought some more rice. He has now 301 kg of rice. How much rice did he buy? First he had 269 kgs. Then he sold 196. 269 kgs of rice is there in first. Then he had sold 196. So sold. This is sold. So then subtract. 73. 9 minus 6 3. 7. 110. 73. How much rice did he buy? Then after he bought some more rice. So how much rice is there? 301 kgs. So 301 minus 73. Remaining rice is 73. How much he buy then after this solding? Okay. 11 minus 3 8. 9 minus 7 2. 228 kgs is there remaining of rice. First, a shopkeeper had 269 kgs of rice. Then he sold 196. So how much is there? 73 kgs of rice is there. Okay. He bought some more rice. 73 kgs already there, but he bought some more rice. He has now 301 kgs of rice. 73 already there. 301 kg, some more rice, not their given number. Find out only how much bought rice. Okay. Now he had 301 kgs of rice. So when 300 minus 1 remaining rice, when we subtract we get answer. Okay. 10th one. The total length of 5 poles is 444 centimeters. 2 of the poles are each 87 centimeters long. The remaining 3 poles are of the same length. The length of the each pole is 5 poles is 444 centimeters. He gave 2 of these poles are each 87 centimeters. Okay, 87 centimeters. So 7, 14 minus 7. Next 5. 357. So remaining 3, the length of each pole is remaining 3 poles. Okay. Divide by 3. 119 you have to get. 3 1 are 3, 5, 3 1 are 3, 3 9 are 27. So tick this answer. Okay. I will send one picture of this MCQ. Everyone tick your textbook. Page number 124.